Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, you know the role. Please click that subscribe button down below and join the family. All right, I'm so excited to have you back. And if you are new, just like the video, subscribe, and also share your comments in the comment section down below. Now today is Saturday. I am so exhausted, guys. Like being a mom, working a 9 to 5, and also trying your best to live your life. It's not giving. It's really not giving. Especially for people like me, like people with no parents. So at least if you do have your mom, if your mom is still alive, you can just take the kid to mom to visit mhlambe for that weekend at least. But as for me, I just don't wanna lie. Ndiyakowisha. Oh, shame, he's sleeping. Hey, but yeah, it is what it is. Yo, guys, in the last night I didn't sleep. Yo, yo. My C-section was painful. So my son is 8 months old, turning 9 months end of June. So I thought maybe like man, things will be better over time. And like ever since I had this section, yeah, yesterday, like I've never felt so much pain from this C-section. Like yesterday it was the worst. Oh, I don't know, guys, and please just suggest something in the comment section down below. Because after getting my C-section, after getting my baby, I drank umatunga. I don't know how to call it in English, but it's just a medicine that it's a traditional medicine that heals you from inside. So I drank that and I thought like, okay, now I'm gonna be fine and whatnot, but I am going through the most. So I'm thinking of just buying it again because like last night, and now it's winter again. I think that also contributes to the pain. But yeah, it is what it is. There's no time for sadness, guys. We move, life moves on. In today's vlog, I'm spending the day at home, and I also want to unplait my hair, wash my hair, and also wash my wig. And also, like we'll see where the day takes us. Maybe I might even go to the mall. We will see. Thank you so much for joining us. Please click that like button, click that subscribe button, comment in the comment section down below, and let's just be one. So guys, please excuse the noise in the background. Like as I have mentioned before in my previous videos, that I stay in a very, very noisy neighborhood, Sekasi lana, and you can't tell someone to just switch off their music, yeah. So okay, it is what it is. We have to live with it, but it's just so annoying. Like it's so annoying. But yeah, there's nothing we can do. azini ngathi ngiyoceda ngabo 7 ukuchacha lo mchini. By the look of things nje, I'm going to finish at 7 o'clock. Yeah. This is one of my favorites, guys. August is my birthday. Please just send this in a box. Mama's gonna buy 10 or maybe 15. I wouldn't mind. It's one of my favorite. It's 17% alcohol. It's one of my favorite because the taste is just so appealing. Imagine you're getting drunk and you're enjoying the taste. It's just two benefits in one. So I like it. I don't like sour alcohol and that bitter taste. That's just not for me. But then I don't like sweet alcohol also. I like my alcohol to be neutral, not sweet, not sour and bitter, just neutral. Yeah. So when you must say sweet kakulu, it's not giving. I can drink 5 bottles of this. 5 bottles nje. Ngingaziphuza same day. Ngiyabona ngami sengi-black out because ngiphuzela ubumnandi. Oh. I am so tired. Yesterday I slept so late. I'm busy just scrolling through TikTok, and I should have just unplaited my hair last night while I was busy with TikTok. But yeah, working a 9 to 5, those who work a 9 to 5, you guys know the struggle. Whereas especially if you have a small baby, just like me, I am always tired. I think another thing that's making me tired is because my son doesn't sleep through the night. He doesn't. He wakes up, he cries, you have to give him a bottle. And now he started having nappy rash, so now I have to wake up at night and change his nappy. Began a nappy rash last week, so now it's gone, but I'm just like keeping things clean. I wake up at night and change his nappy because at first I didn't do it. I was just like, but now I'm doing it because that rash was so bad. It was so bad, like it was even turning into blisters, guys. It was so bad. I was even seeing blood. Like, I was so sad, But yeah, it is what it is. Let me carry on unplaiting my hair. Let me give myself 2 hours to finish this. Come on. One Hashem, get push it, because I still have to wash my hair. Also, let me just give myself 2 hours to unplait this, and then I wash my hair, and then like I get cute now, like other kids, even if I'm just lounging around at home, but I have to get cute. I have to. It's a must. Hi guys, welcome back again to this vlog. I thought I was going to do a spend a day with me, but this video is dragging, so it's just gonna be spend the weekend with me because now it's the following day, and I still have this. Yeah, I'm even so embarrassed to say, but I still have. But guys, the problem with it, I want to do so many things at once, and this results in me not finishing the other thing. That's why. So yeah, it is what it is. But again, I will finish eventually. And when I finish, I will finish it. But today is the day. I have to finish today, guys. This has been long overdue, so that I can do my hair, So again, I was at the in Complex shopping center. I don't know. I went there to buy pots because I have 2 pots, guys. And you know, when you stay in Mkashweni, by the way, I stay in Mkashweni. I stay in a back room. For those who don't know, it is what it is. I'm not gonna fake it. I'm not gonna try and be something that I'm not. I stay in Mkashweni in a back room, so I have to have. Is that correct? I must have limited stuff, ne? Because of space. Like if you've stayed in a back room, you know there's limited space, and now it's even worse because I have a child. So you know, there's limited space. So when you buy, you have to buy isn't that are limited. Now I had 2 pots, ne? Initially, Papa and sheep. Nebani here. It's not working out. Like it's not working, you know. Sometimes I come back from work so tired, and now I have to wash the pot before I can cook. So look at, and sometimes I even end up not cooking. I just eat bread because I am lazy to wash the pot. Yeah, and it's also time consuming. So like, now I went to Komakuleng. I'm not gonna fake it and say no. I went to like Pick and Pay. These pots were 700, and in Makuleni I bought them for 330. Imagine. So and it's the same thing. Like it does the same thing, same brand. No, it's the same brand. It's this brand. I don't know, Uchi. But I couldn't waste my money like that. That one 6-piece 330, like it's a bargain, guys. It is a bargain. 700 even though you spend like it's a lot. Because I started at Pick and Pay, but we are doing an unboxing. We are doing an unboxing of pots from Komakuleng. But they're not bad, Shem. I'm gonna wash them and if I can still wool like other Speak and Span. Futike, I had to buy this type of pots because I use a gas stove. So if I bought those pots with glass lids the food was gonna burn. It was gonna burn so bad. So I have to buy the strong ones. And I'm loving these pots. They are very strong, guys. You can never go wrong. So it's these 3 lids sizing. Yeah, one. Like I'm happy, man. I'm happy. Like I'm happy. I don't wanna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm happy. And I'm gonna wash this pot now and then start cooking. But yeah, I've been wanting pots. But when I saw the prices, so yeah, I have to wash them first. But the all-in-all car, oh babes, this is the smallest. Babes, I've been struggling coming from work, washing pots. Even when I want to cook 7 colors, it's a struggle. And this is the second one. Ooh, I'm so happy, Nje. What's this plastic? Ingeni like deep within, but the happy, man, the happy. Ziyavela ngalapha. Yo, mutu yaguga yazini ngicabanga nje. I'm happy that I bought pots. Imagine sengiphe ipapa la. Saba well. But yeah. I'm happy, Shaman. I'm not complaining, my friend. I am not complaining. So I'll have to wash this pot, start cooking dinner, and I also need to unplait my hair as soon as possible because after the weekend I have to go back to work. So yeah. These are the pots that I bought. I'm happy with my makula things. Don't bash me in the comment section. If you feel like you have an opinion, put it to yourself. I'm happy. So when go buy your expensive pots at Woolworths. This I'm happy, Sham. I'm ngifuna uqamba thumbnail. Yo, at last, yazini, at last I am done. I am done. Ukuchacha inhloko. It's been hell, okay? It's been hell. 1.5 days nje. Ngenza ngichacha inwele, imagine. So now I just wanna go to the salon quickly, ngenze something nje that will take me, I think, 30 minutes or 2 hours maximum, because I'm exhausted. I wanna come back and prepare for work tomorrow. So I'll just do something quick. And another thing, you know, so I'm with my baby there, so I need something that they can do quickly. Then I come back, I start preparing dinner, I start you know, preparing my clothes for work and all of that. I will see you. So guys, I just came back from doing my hair. Like, my hairline is so gone. Yo, it's like I'm embarrassed to even take off this hoodie, because the initial plan was to do like a hairstyle nyana, maybe with my straight back, yeah, or something quick. But then when I saw like my hairline is gone, I was like, straight back is going to make it worse, you know. So ngivele nje relax, ayo yazini, bekani yabona ukuthi straight back nje, it was going to make things worse. It was going to make things worse. So I just relaxed my hair. I don't know what's the next step. I clearly don't know, guys. Please plug me on how I can get my hairline back. Please plug me with products in the comment section, please. But king twena, yeah, sure. So then I bought ikota on my way home. I'm excited. Like, ikota is my favorite, so I bought ikota, and then I'm going to have ikota with coffee. Yo, coffee is my favorite. Cold drink, I'd rather have a coffee. So yeah, this is the kota that I bought. It was only 30 rand, not bad. It's cheese, special paloni, acha, nut chips, and an egg. Well, it's not bad for a 30 rand. It's just not bad. So let me just indulge in my kota and coffee. I will see you on my next video, guys. Please subscribe, please. Please, okay, because I'm going to be bringing you premium content, and that's on period. But please, guys, subscribe. Let us grow together. Share your suggestions, like on the type of videos you guys would like to see, and I will see you on my next one.